Hey my friend, this is Anders Larsson and welcome to this video. Alright, for those that don't know me, my name is Anders Larsson and I have been struggling for a very long time to make money online. I began 10 years ago building scripts, building websites, tools. I had a lot of crazy ideas, but I never found success. I basically wasted 10 years of my life thinking that I would find success on my own. Through this experience I want to share what I did wrong and how I got out of it. Without further ado, let's dive into the content. So in this video I will share how I failed over 10 years before I found the solution. Alright, so I want to share my failures with you. Failures that costed me so much time, and I want you to learn from this. Basically the problem I have and that many people have is overanalyzing stuff. So my story began about 10 years ago. I really wanted to succeed online. So I was trying to find a solution in forums. So people were talking about different methods that they probably had success with. Like buy and sell domains, sell stuff on Amazon, different traffic methods, and so on. And of course each method have different techniques. And people could write about the methods, but they weren't really that keen on sharing the important details. Why would they want the competition? Even the techniques have its variations, which adds to the complexity. Alright, so why am I telling you all this? So when somebody new are trying to find a solution that can generate money online, they want it to be simple and they want it to be fast. Each method has a lot of variations. So the first thing I was doing was just asking, is this method simple? So it is really hard to answer if it is simple because it's different for everyone. Everyone has different levels of skills and knowledge. So the answer is more like, yes, it works. People have success with it. So the only way to know for sure is to just try it. Remember, the goal is always to find the simplest and the fastest, which is really the wrong approach. But that is also not the whole truth, because there is another side to it, which I will explain later. Anyway, I tried the first method and gave up. It was too complicated. When you try a new method, you really don't know what problems or difficulties that you will face. So the only way is to try and see what's inside. I was trying method after method and failed in so many ways. Now the thing I wanted to explain is that each method has different levels of competition. So many of these methods needs tools in order to compete, or so people think. They think that I don't make any money in my Twitter account. I need a great tool that can generate a lot of Twitter accounts and publish great content on these accounts. So then people invest in expensive tools. For 10 years I got stuck in this hell loop. It is easy to overanalyze things if you want the simplest and the fastest, because you try to figure out, oh, what's the catch? If it is so simple and if it is so fast, then there has to be a catch, right? So spending 10 years searching and searching and searching, and now when I finally found something that works, I can look back and see I was missing a plan, I was missing a coach, and I was missing a system. If you have these three things, then you will find success. So in my previous video I talked about positioning. You really need to put yourself in the equation. You really need to position yourself on YouTube or on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, preferably all of them. If you want to have success online, you have to make a decision. Think about your reason. Why do you want to start a business? And my reason of being tired of not having enough money to do the things in life that I wanted to do with my girlfriend. I was tired of not being able to make my girlfriend happy. And I was tired of not having enough time to do the things in life that I wanted to do with her. There was no way I was going to be good with the things being the way they were for 5, 10, 15 years down the road. I knew that it had to be more, and I knew that I was destined for something better for me and my girlfriend. So I took action and I got started in my very first real business. I simply joined this business opportunity that I'm using in my business and followed the instructions that was given to me. I followed the training and I got things set up the best way I knew how. Every time I felt like I wanted to quit, I always went back to my initial reason to getting started. I wanted our situation to change. I wanted to transform myself. I wanted to reach my goals. So I just want to tell you that I really believe what I put in this industry, to inspire people and to empower people, to wake people up and let them know that they can absolutely do this. So just believe in yourself, put one foot in front of the other, decide to trust the process and trust yourself. Never ever ever give up on yourself. Do you understand me? Never ever ever give up on yourself. So if you are really serious about starting an online business, I leave my information right down below this video. You will find a link in the description and click that link to get started with the free video training that I provide that will help you get started on this path. So take action and join the opportunity. So this was the end of this video. If you liked this video, then hit the like button. And if you want to receive more videos like this, designed to inspire and empower, then hit the subscribe button. Also click that bell to get notified when I release new videos. I look so forward to connecting with you soon. So thank you for watching this video. Have a great day or night wherever you are, and bye bye.